to install Dolby Atmos on Windows 10 or 11 PC. Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you install Dolby Atmos. To install and enable Dolby Atmos on Windows 11 or 10, you'll need to download and install the Dolby Access app from Microsoft Store. So for that, you want to open up your Microsoft Store and then you want to go ahead and locate for Dolby Access app. So on the search box, you want to type in that. See, here it is. You want to click on the open button and here you want to click on get. Once you do it, so on the welcome screen, click on the next button, then click on get started on the next screen, after which click on get started on the next screen, then click on or just go ahead and click on the buy screen. The free trial or buy screen will open up. Once you've actually done it, so then you want to read it out and follow the steps or follow the answering prompt, and you'll be able to actually go ahead and install Dolby Atmos to your PC. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.